Good morning and welcome back to Flash Fluency English. In today's episode, we will learn simple expressions that store staff use when they talk to customers. So grab your coffee or tea and let's get started.
Number 1.
How can I help you today? How can I help you today?
Number 2.
Would you like a bag for your items? Would you like a bag for your items?
Number 3.
This shirt is on sale today. This shirt is on sale today.
Number 4.
The fitting rooms are over here. The fitting rooms are over here.
Number 5.
Sorry, we only take cash. Sorry, we only take cash.
Number 6.
You can return this within 30 days. You can return this within 30 days.
Number 7.
Please let me know if you need any help. Please let me know if you need any help.
Number 8.
Your total is $15. Your total is $15.
Number 9.
We are open until 8 p.m. tonight. We are open until 8 p.m. tonight.
Number 10.
Sorry, we are out of that size. Sorry, we are out of that size.
Number 11.
Please wait here while I check in the back. Please wait here while I check in the back.
Number 12.
This price includes tax. This price includes tax.
Number 13.
Would you like to join our rewards program? Would you like to join our rewards program?
Number 14.
Do you want a gift receipt? Do you want a gift receipt?
Number 15.
Sorry for the wait. Sorry for the wait.
Number 16.
We have a buy one, get one free offer. We have a buy one, get one free offer.
Number 17.
Please follow me to the register. Please follow me to the register.
Number 18.
All the prices are clearly marked. All the prices are clearly marked.
Number 19.
We can order that item for you. We can order that item for you.
Number 20.
The restroom is at the back. The restroom is at the back.
Number 21.
Please tap your card here. Please tap your card here.
Number 22.
We open at 10 a.m. tomorrow. We open at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Number 23.
Could I see your ID, please? Could I see your ID, please?
Number 24.
This item is final sale. This item is final sale.
Number 25.
Thank you for shopping with us. Thank you for shopping with us.
Number 26.
We do not accept checks. We do not accept checks.
Number 27.
I can help you find your size. I can help you find your size.
Number 28.
That product is in aisle 4. That product is in aisle 4.
Number 29.
The dressing room is currently in use. The dressing room is currently in use.
Number 30.
Can I get you a shopping basket? Can I get you a shopping basket?
Number 31.
Please keep your receipt. Please keep your receipt.
Number 32.
We are having a special today. We are having a special today.
Number 33.
Unfortunately, we are closing soon. Unfortunately, we are closing soon.
Number 34.
You can pay at any register. You can pay at any register.
Number 35.
All returns need the original receipt. All returns need the original receipt.
Number 36.
I will check the stock for you. I will check the stock for you.
Number 37.
We have free samples today. We have free samples today.
Number 38.
This line is for express checkout only. This line is for express checkout only.
Number 39.
The manager will be right with you. The manager will be right with you.
Number 40.
Sorry, no food or drink allowed inside. Sorry, no food or drink allowed inside.
Number 41.
Please place your items on the counter. Please place your items on the counter.
Number 42.
Would you like to sign up for our newsletter? Would you like to sign up for our newsletter?
Number 43.
We restock these every morning. We restock these every morning.
Number 44.
Please line up here. Please line up here.
Number 45.
Sorry, but the store is closed now. Sorry, but the store is closed now.
Number 46.
There is an extra charge for gift wrapping. There is an extra charge for gift wrapping.
Number 47.
We will have more next week. We will have more next week.
Number 48.
Do you need help finding anything? Do you need help finding anything?
Number 49.
All sales are final. All sales are final.
Number 50.
Can I help you carry these to your car? Can I help you carry these to your car?
Number 51.
We appreciate your business. We appreciate your business.
Well done! If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more English content. See you next time on Flash Fluency English.